In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Spotify music into your Notion page. Integrating Spotify into your Notion workspace can be a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite tracks while working, studying, or organizing your life. Let me guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your music directly into Notion. To begin, head over to your Notion account. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Notion website, where you will enter your user credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, identify the page where you'd like to embed your Spotify playlist or music. The purpose of this step is to configure your content layout within Notion, preparing it for the music you're about to embed. With your desired page open, locate an appropriate space where the Spotify embed will fit naturally. It's always a good idea to think about your page's layout and how the music widget will complement your content. Remember, organization within Notion is key, so designate an area that enhances your workflow. Now, on your Notion page, type the command/embed. This quick command will trigger Notion's block menu, showcasing different options that can be embedded into your page. It's part of Notion's powerful interface, which allows for numerous types of media and content to coexist, making your workspace more interactive and engaging. When you see the menu, click on the option labeled Embed. This menu presents a host of useful choices, and picking Embed helps specify the action you want to take with your Spotify link. Visual integration like this makes keeping track of your tasks and enjoyment possible all in one place. Next, you'll need your Spotify playlist link. Open Spotify in another tab and find the playlist you want to embed. Click on the three dots next to the playlist title to see the options, select Share, and choose Copy Playlist Link from the drop-down menu. Now, return to your Notion workspace. In the Embed link box that appears after selecting the Embed block, paste your Spotify playlist link. It's an uncomplicated but effective move that ties the two platforms together. After pasting your link, click on the Embed Link button in Notion. This action finalizes the process, adding the Spotify content directly to your Notion page. From here, you should see your playlist appear on the page. You've done it. Now, you can listen to your Spotify playlist right from the comfort of your Notion workspace, making your tasks or studies that much more enjoyable. Adjust the layout if necessary, ensuring the embed fits organically within your page's design. With this integration, Notion and Spotify become a powerhouse duo, enhancing both productivity and entertainment seamlessly. Enjoy your newly enhanced workspace environment with a touch of music.